it's me once again, Dugay OFW Gonzaga. I'm here back in my channel, and in this video I have to show you on how I cook in different way for the mongo. Because the way we cook mongo in Philippines is just like with soap. But this time I'm gonna show you how I cook it. And please, if you are new to this, don't forget to click the bell button so you could be updated when I upload a new video. Okay, I show you on how I cook and I will show you the ingredients. Please. Okay, I'm gonna show you now the ingredients. First is this is the carrots. I chopped it into a tiny cubes, very tiny and very thin, so it will get soft easily. And this is the chopped onion. This one here is the garlic, chopped garlic, and this one is the salt and the pepper. Just estimate for the taste you want. And this one is the oil. This one is the beaten egg. This one is the cooked monggo. It's already soft. It's cooked already. And of course, we have the flour. 1 cup flour, all-purpose flour. And also, of course, when it's too dry, we have to add a little bit of water. Okay, let's make the ingredients now. Here is the flour. It's a bit dry, then we will add a little bit of water. And next. Okay, let's start now and make sure that the oil in the pan is already hot. And we will just put the amount we want on how much size we want, and then okay, let's put this mixture now here in the pan. Okay, then it's too small for me, and then I will add a little bit more, this one, and then we will make it flat so it will be cooked quickly. This is how it looks like now. It looks yummy. So yummy. See, it turns into golden brown now. And then 1 minute more, and then let's take it out from the oil. And now here it is, my cooking. It's already done, and it's already cooked, and it's ready for the table. And for you guys, if you are bored of always eating monggo soup, just try this menu, and I really hope that your family amazes this. This is so good. This is so nice. Just try this. Okay, just have to practice my English, okay? And I hope you really enjoy my cooking, and then please don't forget